All right, let's make a super tasty lentil and chorizo stew. Egg-free, and honestly, you can swap in any sausage you fancy. This is one of those hearty, soul-warming dishes that's perfect for any night of the week. First things first, grab your ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of lentils. Brown or green, both work great. A good-sized onion, 2 or 3 garlic cloves, a carrot, a stick of celery, a tin of chopped tomatoes, around 150 grams of chorizo or your favorite sausage, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a splash of olive oil. Oh, and veggie stock, or just water if you're keeping it simple. Let's get cooking. Start by chopping your onion, garlic, carrot, and celery nice and small. Don't stress about perfection, just get them chopped. Now, heat a splash of olive oil in a big pot over medium heat. Toss in your chorizo or sausage and let it sizzle for a couple of minutes. You want those lovely oils to start coming out and the sausage to get a bit of color. Once it's looking good, add your chopped veggies. Stir them around. Let them soften for about 5 minutes. If things start to stick, add a splash of water. Sprinkle in your smoked paprika. That's going to give the stew a gorgeous, rich flavor and a bit of warmth. Now pour in your lentils, the tin of tomatoes, and enough stock or water to cover everything by about an inch. Bring it all to a boil, then turn the heat down and simmer. Give it a stir now and then. Here's the thing with lentils. They soak up loads of flavor, but they need a bit of time. Let your stew bubble away for about 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils are tender but not mushy. If it gets too thick, just add a splash more water. Once it's all deliciously thick and the lentils are cooked, taste it for seasoning. A good pinch of salt and pepper goes a long way here. And that's it. Dish up your lentil and chorizo stew, maybe with crusty bread, a sprinkle of parsley, or just as it is. It's warming, filling, and honestly, it tastes even better the next day. Simple, egg-free, and totally adaptable to what you've got at home. Give it a go, and let me know how you get on. If you liked this little how-to, don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy recipes. Catch you next time.